equal to 0. So, ito, dapat ang makuha ay dalawang binomial. Pamamagitan ng kinuha ko po ang factors ng 20 at ang sagot ay 10 at saka 2. At para ma-sure ang sagot natin, gagawa ako ng solution para paano ito nakuha. At gagawin ko po is zero product. Kukuhanin ko po ang x at ang sagot. At ita-transpose ko itong 10 sa kabila at ang sagot ay negative 10. At yung isa x transpose ko pa na naman ang post sa kabila at ang sagot.
To the other side, and I divide 5 into 2, that is equal to 5 all over 2. And I get the square root of 5 all over 2, that is equal to 25 over 4. Then the view is x squared plus 5x plus 25 all over 4 is equal to 6 plus 25 all over 4. Then I'm going to get the factoring perfect square trinomial of x squared plus 5x plus 25 all over 4. Then the answer is x plus 5 all over 2 squared is equal to 49 all over 4. Then I add 6 plus 25 all over 4, then the sum is 25 all over 4, and the sum is 49 all over 4. After that, I transpose the square of x plus 5, x plus 5 all over 2 square is equal to 4 into the other side, and the view is x plus 5 all over 2 is equal to 5 or negative square root of 49 and all over 4. Then I get the square root of 49. The answer is 7 all over 2. Then I transpose 5 all over 2 into the other side, and the view is x is equal to 5 all over 2 is equal to positive and negative 7 all over 2. And the total answer is x1 is equal to 5 plus 7 over 2 is equal to 12 all over 2 or 6. And x2 is equal to 5 negative 7 all over 2 is equal to negative 2 or all over 2 or 1.
Oh, gawin, pinipensan. Papaliktad mo kami.
Kaya mo duwa?
The proud video. Bigat. Video.
Ay, buka.
Adam! Alam mo,
Get the factors of 7
Cut.